Oh, hello, we got another one who's interested. Oh, we got another there's enough here. Yeah, I am here, lads. Don't forget that. There's another one gone. Headshot! Where did that come from? Hit! Headshot! Ow! No, that's my arm! Oh, no. Arm means I'm dead! Don't shoot it! Oh. Got him! Move up, Sarah! Hit! Hit! Where's the spawn again? Back at the hill. Is it the hill? No, back where we started.
Or in the pig pen.
Yeah, pig pens are really far. Is this bottom secure?
Is the bottom secure?
No. Oh, screw it. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Keep me covered, keep me covered. Tom, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Go. Try coming to me right in the corner.
Where'd you get him from?
Coming out! Get in one touch. 7.5 minutes.
You are dead, dude. Yeah, I've got him. Right, Tom.
We got fun and games.
Why have you run away, Phil?
Because my mag's empty!
Why? You have no business having an empty magazine in this battle zone.
I'm the only one that's firing. Why don't you stop
I
firing?
just killed the guy. I'm marrying you, moron.
I just killed the tree.
Yeah. Good work. Have a medal.
Okay, I'm going across.
Yes, got him.